I just got a bunch of these wooden jewelry blanks from MakerFlow. I wanted to test these out and see how they engrave. That way I can let you guys know if you should pick some of these up or not. And honestly, I'm pretty happy with the detail I was able to get because I did it with my small diode laser. So let's head over to xTool Studio so I can show you how it's done. So I'm really liking this new line of jewelry that MakerFlow came out with. It is wood and stainless steel. And the best part is that there's no glue holding it together. It is held in by these pins going through the whole material, and the wood is not stained either. This is real wood, so it's nice and hypoallergenic, and they honestly just engrave really nicely. And so I want to show off doing one of these on the xTool F2. First, let's get this nice and in focus. We want those two dots to overlap. I'm going to try a different technique to get it a little bit darker. I'm going to defocus it slightly. So in xTool Studio here, you can see it's taken a picture of the background. I don't super like that all the time, so I like to right click and hide it. But so I'm going to hit this and I'm going to hit framing so that we can see where this is at and check our sizing. I can make that a bit bigger as well to increase the width to 1 inch. And honestly, that looks pretty great. I want to make it a little bit bigger though. All right, I'm happy with that. So for our settings, we're going to do blue light. We're going to do 100 power, 150 speed, and 140 lines per centimeter. Now I'm going to leave the lid open for this, but make sure you're wearing your safety glasses. And how awesome is that this is only going to take 18 seconds. Wow, and that looks absolutely stunning. It's nice and dark because we did defocus it literally just slightly. So I love how that is. So I want to do something on the back as well. I'm going to put the text "it as well" on the back just because it's a nice reminder. And let's center this up. This one might be too big. That actually looks pretty good. I'm really just eyeballing the placement. I love how that looks, so let's do that. And again, we're just slightly defocused. And this is only going to take 9 seconds. And then we can hit start. Oh my gosh, and that looks absolutely stunning as well. I'm so excited about this jewelry, and I think people are going to really like it because it's just a really easy way to personalize something, and you can easily get quite a bit of money for jewelry like this because it's very high end, and the fact that it's hypoallergenic. I mean, that's pretty cool, and I love that it's two-sided. The other cool thing that MakerFlow did is they developed this jewelry pouch, and it has a magnetic clasp. It's kind of like those old school coin purses, and it comes with a little piece of foam inside. That way the area is nice and flat for when you're gonna engrave it. So let's engrave it because this is that same laserette material that we've worked on before. But so let's get this in focus. All right, perfect. We're gonna do this Mother's Day design because I am making this for my mom, and that's the next like major holiday coming up. So let's frame this out. That might be too big. Yeah, way too big. All right, I'm happy with that. Let's maneuver it here. All right, and I'm going to come to my master settings list, which is available on my Facebook group. I'm going to go to the F2. I'm going to look up MakerFlow laserette. And my power is 50 to 60 with 300 speed, 300 lines per centimeter. So I can plug that in. This is just a really good starting point. Let's do 55. Let's go right in the middle. 300 and then 300. So this will just help you to have a baseline when you're doing your own testing. All right, it's going to take 2.5 minutes, but so make sure you're wearing safety glasses. Dang, that looks absolutely flawless. There's no smudging and it looks so cool. So let's pull out the foam that's in there and then we can put in our necklace in there. And then you have a really high-end, nice gift to give to your mom or that your customers can buy and give to your mom. These are perfect for bridesmaids, religious ceremonies, Christmas, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, you name it. Don't sleep on these. Definitely go pick some of these up. They have 7 different shapes and 3 different choices of wood. We have black wood, rosewood, and natural colored wood. And they're just honestly really cool. This one reminds me of Oreo. Jewelry is one of those things that are always popular and sell year round. This is a niche I would definitely recommend getting into, especially with this wooden jewelry. It's different from what's out there on the market right now. It's all metal bars and metal envelopes and everything. But this is really cool and it's really unique. And people want uniqueness. They don't want generic things that you can buy at a store. You can either sell it with engraving on one side or on both. And honestly, your customers are gonna love it.